Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Corvette key fob. Same process for the Escalade, the ATS, all sorts of the Cadillacs. Here's what you need. A 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. Just a couple bucks. There's a link below in the description. And I'm going to be using a flat blade screwdriver. You can actually just use this, a mechanical key, instead of the screwdriver, but I think the screwdriver makes the process a little bit easier. So first press this button and pull your mechanical key out. Now this large portion right here is where the mechanical key goes in. There's a little shelf right here. Just above that, you can stick your screwdriver in and just twist, and just be very delicate with these fobs. They're incredibly fragile. Alright, so you have your two halves apart. Now I'm going to remove the battery. I'm just going to remove this entire assembly. Take your old battery out. Place that back in there. And your new battery goes in positive side facing up. And then another thing to note is this spring can come out occasionally. Just be careful not to lose that. This, you just put them back together and give it a good squeeze. And replace your mechanical key and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.